In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to convert your speech to Greek audio here. So first thing you have to do is to go to 11labs.io and click on the voices option here. Then click on the Greek option below, and it should bring you to a page similar to this. Here you can choose a Greek voice of the quality you're looking for. You can proceed to even sample them by clicking on the play option beside the names, and we will wait.
Δεν υπάρχουν όνειρα πολύ μεγάλα.
Okay, so we can also choose this agape.
Ο χρόνος είναι ένας δάσκαλος.
So once we've seen a voice that speaks to us, we can proceed to add them to my voices section, where we can edit them and customize them for our personal projects and works. So this is how to add a Greek voice to your project, or how to use a Greek voice. Please consider subscribing to the channel if this video has been helpful to you in any way possible. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.